Welcome to Gift Wrapping by Elaine. I love doilies. As you can see, I have a rather large collection. These days you can get them in virtually every colour and size imaginable. We are way past ordinary plain white or even gold ones. But you know, you can use them to decorate your presents with, and I want to show you a couple of ways in which you can do that. So, working with doilies, you would be looking at decorating a square or an oblong shaped box. That's where they work the best. So I've got one here. It makes a very pretty present, this idea. And as you can see, I've already done 3 of these corners. So I'm just going to finish this one and show you how to do it. It's the same method regardless of which size you're using. So I've actually used quite a small brown one. And these are very readily available online at craft supplies. So you need to fold your doily in half, having made sure you've only got one. I've got 2. Fold your doily in half and give it a good crease, and then fold it in half again. So we've now got our quarters, and again give it a good crease. Do be careful, because doilies are quite delicate, you know, because they cut out paper, aren't they? So you can quite easily rip them. So now you can see your 4 quarters, and what you're going to do now is sometimes the creases show up better on the inside. You're going to cut away one of these quarters, like so. Yeah, and you're left with that. And this is the part we're working with. You need then to use a glue stick. Now, as I said before, you've got to be a bit careful, because you could easily rip the doily where it's been cut out. You will get a little bit of glue coming through, obviously, so use a piece of paper underneath and then just carefully lift it off. Then you take it to your present, and you're going to place it so that these 2 cut edges, they will slide, can you see, meet on the corner, and then you can just press it round, and you end up with a rather lovely, pretty looking gift. If your present is smaller, you may decide just to do the diagonally opposing corners, which I think that looks rather rich using the gold. And then on this one here, I've been a bit more random. And yes, I've done 1 corner, but here, because it's a medium-sized doily, I've actually just glued it so that over half of the doily is actually on the front. It's not quite as uniform, but I think it's effective with that floral paper. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on like and subscribe to any more that I might do for you. Thank you.